Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. If you're new, don't forget to press that subscribe button and have all notifications on so you can be updated for all my videos. This is one of my mukbangs that I haven't done in a minute. I don't know what that noise is, but don't worry about it. But anyway, notifications. But yes, I'm having big chicken, cornbread, neck bones, beef neck bones, and white rice and beans. Right, white and red beans. Right. It's my meal. Looks good, right? I know. Showing that I enjoyed it. Hope you enjoyed watching it. Anyway, simple blessing. I haven't done a mukbang in a bit. Part of my content, and I'm going back to doing my content. Whether you all like it or not, it's up to you. So I hope all is well with everyone. And yes, I'm drinking my soda. And I'm going to enjoy my meal. It's part of my content. It's what I do. If you don't like it, you don't have to watch. Just give me a thumbs down and keep it moving. I'm going to upload it like one on my channel. It's pretty good. There's beef neck bones and there's pork, but I eat beef today. I doubt I'm going to be able to eat the chicken though. It's not a lot of food for me. I didn't really eat too much as it was. I learned to ignore the haters. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to eat the chicken. It's too much. But it's good. Maybe later. Maybe or tomorrow. But yeah. No. Oh. I eat what I can eat. Sometimes I finish it. Sometimes I just really care. It is what it is. But yeah. Pretty much I finished it. It's not the chicken, I can't eat it. It's too much. Too much food. Mm. I just like to share my meal with y'all. I don't always finish it, but hey, I eat what I can. But yeah, I think I'm about done. Oh, yeah. But yeah, anyway, I just wanted to say hello. And I love you guys. I'm gonna do my mukbangs, my my version of doing mukbangs, ASMR, and all that good stuff, and TikToks and whatever I want to upload, I'm gonna upload. If you like it, if you don't, stop it out. My family. But it was really good. Y'all should have red beans. Beans are very good for you. So, with fried beans might give you a but anyway, but beans are very good for you. White rice is good. Just take it easy on the starch. I try not to have too much pork. So I like pork now. Don't get me wrong. Just eating pork all the time isn't good for you. Ooh, I'm really full now. Sorry. Well, anyway, this concludes. Oopsie. Couldn't eat my chicken. Sorry. Oh well. I'll save it for another time. Thanks for watching. If you like my content, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, have all notifications on, and all bells on for all notifications. And I do appreciate each and every one of you who support me. I support back. I love you guys. Doesn't matter. You're all my family. I don't judge. If you judge me, oh well. I'll judge you. If you don't like me, then okay. It's fine. But I love everyone. So until next time, don't forget that you're awesome and much peace, love, happiness to you all. Don't forget loyalty is royalty, and don't forget that to never ever let anyone take away your joy, because you are awesome, and don't ever let anybody tell you different. Peace out.